Welcome back to another haircut tutorial. But this one's not really a haircut, I just feel like talking. But I'm still talk about the haircut though. I got my client T with me. She's been coming to me for a long ass time. Good people, is good friends. Great client. Always have a blast. Well, what's it called? Yeah, you always want to start cutting the hair down first. But first, of course, I combed and brushed the hair out. But I'm going to speed through the process of cutting the hair down. I usually cut women's hair a lot. Not anymore, though, ever since I got out the shop. What's it called? I think when I was in the shop, just the environment, it wasn't woman-friendly, especially in the times we're going through now. And I'm a friendly guy, so like the shop wasn't woman-friendly, so I had to retreat and find a different spot to go cut hair at. Now all my clients give their own privacy and stuff like that. We talk about whatever. We used to smoke and stuff like that when I was in my other private spot. I used to let my clients smoke and stuff, but not no more. Because now I'm in a real private spot that doesn't allow smoking. Everybody be asking me, how do I get my lines be clean like the way they are? But I don't know how to explain it. And this is the easiest way I can explain it. When I make my first top line, I do not go down on the bottom line. Like, some people would say, yeah, go down on the bottom line. But I wouldn't do that if you don't know how to. Like, when you touch the top line, you're not supposed to push up and you're not supposed to drag down. You're supposed to just create the line at first. Just put the clippers through the hair and you just create the line. Don't place the trimmers on the scalp and drag down or push up to create space between the line and stuff like that. Just simply place the trimmer on the hair. The line will just pop up. The trimmers are thick enough to do that. They're thick enough to create a pencil line for you so you can start creating your design. Sometimes I may mess up, but nah, I don't ever mess up. I bite, I don't push, I don't drag, I just bite. So if you see me making the line bigger, that's because I'm just making the line bigger. I do use the method of going on the bottom line and the top line, but I really just rely on the razor work. The razor work is everything I can really do. My clients sleep in here. Like, she actually sleeps a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Like, as soon as you touch her head, she sleeps. Like, look, eyes closed, her head might fall at any moment. I'm holding it up with all my strength. Like, mostly, a lot of my clients actually sleep in the chair. It's funny, but it's not funny. She's laughing about it now. Look at her, because she knows. Look at the camera. Laugh about it. Because you know I'm talking about it. But yeah, I'm going to speed through this process. I created all my lines. This isn't a design that I found on the internet. This is actually a really confused design because during this haircut, I was telling my client that I just didn't know what to do. Like, every day, I fight. Every day, I literally fight to, like, figure out what I gotta do. Or if I want to eat food, or if I want to save money, or if I want to smoke, or if I want to go skating. If I want to start my investment on my $1 million house that I don't believe in. You know? When you have a mind that's like been open to a lot of ideas and seen a lot of things, experienced a lot of stuff. Not a lot of stuff, not everything, but enough to make you want to see and say that, damn, I really don't want none of that stuff. Everybody wants a big house and stuff. I really don't want none of that stuff. I want a medium-sized house. That's acceptable. If I could live in a bus and travel and be a nomad my whole life, I would do that too. I gotta study my life more. Like, I gotta study what makes me feel the most powerful. You feel me? Apparently we're all like a part of our, I can't even explain it, so just fuck it. Speed through the process. Fading the design. When I'm fading the design, sometimes I go skin level, sometimes I don't fade at all. but you gotta have the fade really matching everything else. Like, it just gotta match. You know, in the no guards on the fades, straight no guards.
Poking your head, falling asleep in it.
Straight no guards, and this is the haircut.
It's helping me out.
Hopefully you guys like it. I mean, it's not hopefully.
Something I get to
You guys
rap about
gotta
later.
like it. If you guys don't like it, it's not really my issue. Like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna post all my pages in the caption. I don't really like editing my videos that extreme because I just really want you to see the haircut for real. And that's that. Thank you for watching.